The South African Health Products Regulatory Authority has authorized the Coronavac COVID-19 vaccine. This vaccine is manufactured by Sinovac Life Sciences and imported by Curanto Pharma. The authorization was done in terms of Section 21 of the Medicines and Related Substances Act, which allows Sahpra to authorize a medicine subject to certain conditions and authorize it on an emergency basis. Coronavac is an activated whole variant vaccine derived from SARS-CoV-2 virus. Each dose contains about 600 standard units of inactivated SARS-CoV-2 virus in the antigen. Coronavac is indicated for active immunization against COVID-19. This is the disease caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus. It is indicated for individuals aged between the ages of 18 and 59 years. The vaccine is administered as a 2-dose vaccine of about 0.5 milliliters, given intramuscularly, with the second dose administered between 14 and 28 days after the first dose. This authorization is based on the safety, quality, and efficacy data submitted by Curanto Pharma. This data was submitted to Sahpra between the 22nd of March 2021 and the 22nd of June 2021. Although the data submitted are considered acceptable at this point, the authorization is subject to a number of conditions. Specifically, the applicant is required to submit the final results of ongoing clinical studies. Sahpra also took into account the World Health Organization Emergency Use Listing report that indicates its basis for its decision. In addition, these conditions require the submission of periodic safety updates in accordance with the Sahpra guidance, as well as conformance with pharmacovigilance activities as outlined in the approved risk management plan. Also, as outlined in the clinical trial evidence submitted by the applicant, most of the side effects following administration of the Coronavac vaccine were mild or moderate in nature, and they cleared within a couple of days. The frequently reported adverse reactions were pain at the injection site, headache, fatigue, muscular pain, diarrhea, and nausea. Curanto Pharma Limited must provide to Sahpra any data or information generated or with those otherwise it comes into possession of, which is relevant to the risk-benefit profile of the product or is relevant to the conditions of use. The company is also obliged to share any such information received from the manufacturer. In particular, any data on the efficacy or effectiveness of the vaccine against disease caused by emerging SARS-CoV-2 variants of concern shall be provided to the regulator. A provisional shelf life of 24 months is approved for both the vial and the pre-filled syringe presentations of the product, for storage at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and protected from light.